Hello students, in this video I will start with the chapter determination of a place on the earth surface. So how we can means this chapter is about how we can determine or how we can find a place on the earth's surface. Okay, so the two main important thing for determining a place on the earth's surface is the longitude and number two is the latitude. So the latitude and longitude are the two most important thing for finding any place on the earth's surface. Actually, the point of intersection of the line of the latitude and the line of the longitude, the point of intersection of the lat is the short form for latitude, and long is the short form of longitude. So the point of intersections of the lat and the long actually determines the location of any place on the earth's surface. Okay, so before going into in details about the longitude and the latitude, let us start with the first with the axis of the earth, or what is the earth's axis. What is the axis of the earth? So the earth axis is actually a imaginary line. This is a imaginary line which joins the two poles. This is the north pole and this is the south pole, and that passes through the center of the earth, that is over here, and we are calling this as the earth axis. And based on the earth axis, the earth rotates. Okay, so latitude, or what is latitude? So latitudes are actually the angular distance of a place on the surface of the earth from the equator, which is measured from the center of the earth. Okay, so what is latitude? Latitude is actually a angular distance of any place from the equator, and equator as and which is generally measured from the center of the earth. Okay, so the values of the latitude are generally written in degrees, but this can be further subdivided into minutes, and minutes can be further subdivided into seconds. Okay, so this the values of the latitude, or this divisions of this or the subdivisions of this values is important, because why it's important, because it is help us to get an exact location. For example, there are many places, for example, I'm taking latitude for exam is like 23 degree north. Okay, so there are many places which passes, or this particular latitude passes through many places on the earth's surface, like for example, this is a place, this is the name of a place like A, B, C, D. Okay, and there is a latitude which is passing through over here, and the value of the latitude is 23 knot. Okay, there are other places over here like E, F, and there is another latitude which passing over here, for example 23 south. Okay, so all the places, that is place A, place B and place C, are falling on the same latitude. Okay, so if we try to find, or if for example if someone is traveling from this place A and place B, okay, but the person who is traveling from place F do not know where exactly the location of place A is. Okay, so he will generally open the map and he will find the place where it is. So if for finding the place, the first thing that it needs to know is the latitude. Okay, so when he is going to see the latitude, he will see the value will be given as 20 knot or 23° knot. Okay, so if, but there are many places at this or there are many places present on with the same value, 23° knot. So it has become very impossible for the person to find the exact location of the places or of a place. That is why this degree has been divided into minutes and this minute has been divided into second, so that we can get the accurate location of any place. So the distance between two latitude is about 111 kilometer approx, and the instrument that helps to measure the latitude is known as sextant. Okay, so there are total 179 latitude present on the earth's surface. So all the latitudes that are present on in the northern part of so equator is one of the most important latitude which is bisecting or which is dividing the earth into two sections. So all the latitudes which are lying above the equator in the northern portion where or in the northern hemisphere are denoted by N, and all the latitude that are present in the southern part of the equator are denoted by S. Okay, so if you get a value like 15 degree S, this means the latitude is present in the southern section. If you get a value like 10° north, then that means the this is the value of our latitude which is present in the northern part of the earth. So this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the next of the portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.